show you how to make a Lego puzzle box. Okay, so you can see here's the puzzle box, and you may also notice that this is shaped like a Christmas present. So let's begin. Now, if you look around, you can see that there's a keyhole, and here's the thing you have to take out. Okay, so, but if there's a keyhole, where's the key? You can't slide or do anything on the top, so it must not be there. Oh, look, there's only connected by one dot, so these all rotate. Let's see. Okay, so this one rotates. Nothing. How about here? Let's see. Ooh, okay, so out came a key from the secret compartment blocked off by these. Now let's try inserting it into the keyhole. If you look it in, then press it in a little, this comes out. But for your surprise, this itself is a puzzle box. So first you have to slide it like this. Then if you try to slide anything here, ooh, look, there's a half of $100 bill. Now you can see that the other half is down here, but so you need to slide this piece, but that won't slide. So first, actually, you have to slide this white piece, then this piece will slide, and there is your $100 bill. So if you're excited to make this, let's begin this tutorial.